Hello everyone, let's learn 5 useful German words you can start using today.
Hallo.
Means hello. Example.
Hallo, wie geht's?
That means, hello, how are you?
Ja.
Means yes. Example.
Magst du Kaffee?
Do you like coffee?
Ja.
Yes.
Nein.
Means no. Example.
Kommst du heute?
Are you coming today?
Nein.
No.
Bitte.
It is a super useful word. It can mean, please, or, you're welcome. Example.
Bitte, ein Kaffee.
Please, a coffee. And when someone says,
Danke.
you can reply,
Bitte.
which means, you're welcome.
Danke.
Means thank you. Example.
Danke für deine Hilfe.
Which means, thank you for your help. Quick review.
Hallo. Ja. Nein. Bitte. Danke.
That's it for day 1. Follow for 5 new German words every day, and you'll build your German vocabulary one step at a time. Bye, see you soon.